This is just a quick video to show you how to use Bluejeans, which is a video conferencing tool not unlike Google Meet or Zoom. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this link here, and you can see it wants to download an installer file. I can just hit cancel on that and click join with browser. That's the easiest way to join a Bluejeans meeting. You don't have to install anything or do anything special. So I'm going to click join with browser. And it might ask me permission to use my microphone or camera. I can see both of those are working here. I can mute audio, turn off my camera just like I would in Google Meet. And then when I'm ready, I can click join meeting. And I can see I'm the only person in the meeting, but that's how it works. If I needed to, I could share my screen with this button. I could turn on and off my mic. I can go full screen, and as other people join the meeting, they will show up just like they would in Google Meet, and I would see the main person talking and the people who weren't talking as smaller icons along the bottom. If you'd prefer to install the Bluejeans plugin, you can do that as well. There's no real reason that you'd need to do this, but let's just say you wanted to. I'll click on the link and it'll say I can say download, it'll download it, it'll show up in my downloads folder on my computer, and then I can open it up and double click to launch. Open. And now it's working a bit more like Zoom, so you can see, I can use computer audio, and there we go. And then it looks like maybe I'm going to close it and then go back to that link and click it one more time just so I can get into the meeting. Open Bluejeans. There we go, and now it's taking me right to the meeting. So after you install, you want to go back and click that link one more time. Oh, join the meeting. There we go, and just like through the web browser, it seems more or less exactly the same. So I see no real advantage to installing it for what we're doing. So I'd say go ahead and just use the browser version. And that's it.